This is my dad's 2021 Ford F-150 XLT. A couple of years back, I featured this truck to do some cosmetic mods, and let's see how they're holding up. But before that, if you're new here, my name is Eric, and I usually do my 2017 Nissan 370Z on this channel, but from time to time, you know, I do videos about the vehicles that are available on my driveway. The in-channel rain guards are still holding up well. Let's check the hyper-dipped emblems. This one looks okay. Fender emblems are peeling, and so is the tailpipe, but it just looks dirty in general. The smoke taillights still look fresh, but the base taillights are just plain, just boring. Same goes to the third brake light. The smoked Ford emblems faded, so that's a fail. Now let's run through what my dad installed without me. He installed these Bushwhacker fender flares, aftermarket Envy black wheels, and I believe he installed 2 inches spacers on all fours. And then these grille lights. Pretty tasteful add-ons, Dad. So we have a pair of 2021 to 2023 F-150 Morimoto taillights and something I found from AliExpress. So we're gonna just replace everything that I smoked out into something more, I don't know, aftermarket, I would say. Okay. The Morimoto taillights kind of reminds me of the taillights of the higher trims, so it's more of an OEM Plus upgrade without the OEM price tag. Access the taillights by removing 2 8mm bolts for each side. Carefully unhook the harness and replace it with the upgrades. Long ones. Same goes for the third brake light, but I need to install the supplied rubber weather stripping so there's no water coming in. That is it for this video. Easy installation, no cutting, no soldering, just plug and play, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. If you like this video, hit the like, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm going to be releasing new videos. You can follow me at it's.ericvenzon, and I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy, folks.